Well, hello everyone. This is Certain Instructor on. Hey, I want to get right into it. Please like and subscribe. I'll bring in lots of videos with good information. At least I think it's good information. Anyways, let's just jump right on into it. Okay, so this is my phone, and basically I've got a lot of my programs up there that I use regularly. So probably one of my most favorite ones is a program called Zello. Now, I'm going to bring you a couple of things that I like about Zello. Okay, number one, this is a program you could download to everybody's phone, and it basically makes it like a walkie-talkie. Now, you can have private channels, whatever, but on vacation, this could be a very good app when you have service. That's the caveat. You've got to have your service. You've got to have internet. And so if you've got data and you have a good plan like AT&T or T-Mobile or Verizon or one of the superstars, you're probably going to have coverage in most areas. And with that said, there's a feature on here I want to share with you. So let's just say you get lost. You don't know exactly where you are. Okay, if you have service, it could be in a town, it could be on the side of the road, you need service, whatever. If somebody else has Zello, there's a feature here that has a drop down menu. And in that feature, you can send somebody your location. So you can invite friends, send location, whatever to the channel or to the subscribers. And that's my channel, and any of you are welcome to listen to it. We use it during severe weather to report storms and things with. Any case, so that's a feature on that particular program that you and your family could download to your phones. You can download it to friends and instantly connect with them. Now, I've talked about this program a number of times, and so I would highly recommend it. That during vacation times you may be separated, instead of making a phone call, you can instantly just push the button and connect with somebody. So that's a tip that I would like to share with everybody, especially during vacation. You don't know where you are? Hey, you send the location to somebody. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comment section.